Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making chicken mustard fry. For this here I have taken boneless chicken 250 grams, 2 tablespoons refined flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, no substitute. This is must. Half teaspoon of garlic powder. I am using garlic powder, but if you want you can use fresh garlic also. Half teaspoon of white pepper, half teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste, and half teaspoon of chili powder. 1 tablespoon of mustard paste, 1 egg. Now in the chicken I will add spices. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rice flour, maida, mustard, and egg. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will mix this. Now here I have mixed together all the ingredients, and now I will leave this chicken to marinate for 1 hour. Now here I have marinated the chicken for 1 hour, and now after 1 hour I will fry the chicken. Now here in the wok I have added oil. It is heated, and now I will slide this chicken in the oil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I will deep fry this till chicken is completely cooked and it's light golden in color. I'll fry them this on low flame, because this chicken is raw, it has to be cooked. Now this chicken is frying. Do not stir the ladle, otherwise it will lose the coating. Here this chicken is fried. See, this is golden in color, and now I am taking this out. Chicken mustard fry is ready to be served. You can serve this with any sauce of your choice, and if you want you can serve this chicken as side dish also. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.